Hello everyone, this is Unboxer King and welcome to the channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be updating our Baby Monster photo card collection. I do have all my new photo cards here. These are photo cards from their merchandise as well as the remaining photo cards that I'm missing for the drip era. Hopefully, I'll be completing some of the collection. So we do have not that many, but I already want to update my Baby Monster. And I also want to show you the new binder. I don't think that I showed you already the new binder for Baymon. So basically, I already updated this from a 1.5 inch binder to a 2.5. So this is the binder. This is the front. This is the spine. I don't know if you could see all of it, but this is the spine. And of course, the same for the internal. I just transfer it to this 2.5 inch binder. Okay, so let's start with the collection. I do have some photo cards here that we are still missing. This is from the See You There merchandise. So we have here some photo card of Rami and Rora. So let's look at our binder. Let me move some of the photo cards and then so most of the photo cards here are already complete. We're still missing one here, the Ion photo card, but we already have here Rami and Rora. So I already saw the photo card of Ion, but I haven't purchased it yet. There are some seller online, but the price is really high, so I decided not to purchase it for now. Okay, there you go. And then we are already complete with the drip album photo cards. I think we're still missing some for the trading cards. Okay, so for the drip trading cards, we are missing version B for Parita, Asa, and Chiquita. Parita, Asa, and Chiquita. So these are the photo cards. There you go. And this is the back. Nice. So we're going to complete this set. So we have here Parita. Okay. And then Chiquita. There you go. I really wanted to complete this already because I know they're planning to do a comeback and I want everything done already before that comeback. And then for this one, we're missing, for the version C, we're missing Rami, this one. Nice. There you go. Next up, I'm not sure if it's centered. Next, we have the version D where this is the holo photo cards. So we're missing Rora and Chiquita. There you go. So with this photo card, we are already complete with the trading cards for drip. Nice. Okay, there you go. Okay, so now let's proceed with updating our binder. I think we need to add more sleeve here. By the way, I am using a 9-pocket Ultra Pro Platinum 9-pocket sleeve for my collection. There you go. Okay, first off that we're going to be adding is the Baby Monster membership kit photo card set. So these are the photo cards. Nice. So we'll start with the label. You have Ruka, Parita, Asa, Ion, Rami. And I'm doing this in an age order. So we have our Makne Chiquita at the last. There you go. Nice, okay. Next are some of the photo cards that I have for the Hello Monsters MD. So we have here first the PBC Collect book. So this is the label and these are the photo cards. So I like buying this type of merchandises because it already assured you of getting OT7. So this is the PVC. We'll have the label here. Then we have the OT7 members. This is probably one of my favorite Rora photo card. Really, really nice. Then we have Chiquita. Okay, there you go. And then another merchandise from the Hello Monster is the music video photo package. When you purchase that, you are assured of getting two set of photo cards. So we have here the first one. This is the blue version. This is the really like that version. So we have here the photo cards. There you go. And then the second version is the Love in My Heart version or the orange version. So basically this photo card came from their music video, which is really, really nice. And I like this blue version because everyone is wearing the Baby Monster pajama. It's very uniform. I really like that. There you go. Next is the second pack. So I think aside from the photo card, you are also going to get a complete set of Polaroid for this particular merchandise. I can't remember, but I do have an unboxing of that one if you want to check that out in my channel. Okay, so we have that. And then another merchandise that I bought. I really bought a lot of merchandise for this one because there are a lot of them assuring you or giving you complete set. So this is the music video photo puzzle. So when you buy that puzzle, you are assured of getting two sets again. So the first set is this one. This is the Really Like You, the blue one. And then the second one is the Love in My Heart. This is the orange one. Okay, so we'll start with the blue one. So again, this is from the music video where they're wearing school uniform. Okay, and then for the second set, we have this one. Nice. We have Ruka, then Parita, Asa, Ion, then we have Rami, Rora, and then we have Chiquita. There you go. Okay, so the next set of photo cards that we are collecting are from the Hello Monster again, but this time these are the trading packs. Okay. So there are 5 versions per member plus the bulk pack set. So it means we have um, 7 sorry, we have 37 photo cards for this one. So 7 member, no, 735, 42 photo cards. So for the version A, so this is the version A. So we already completed this one. This is already an OT7 photo cards. I think I'm still missing two photo cards for this particular trading pack. I haven't really looked into uh, the online sellers for this one, but I think it's gonna be relatively easy considering these are trading packs. I'm already uh, thinking of buying this either via Pokemarket or Remambo. So let's see. And then we have the version B. So for the version B, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this one is the one that we're missing two photo cards. So we're missing Asa and I think it's Rora. So we have here Ruka and then Parita. And since we don't have yet Asa, I saw this chibi carton of the members. So I'm going to be using that as a reference or filler. So we have Asa there. Then we have Ion, Rami. And then we're still missing Rora. And then we have Chiquita. There we go. For the set C, this is another concept photo card. By the way, for trading pack, for YG trading pack in general, not necessarily for Baby Monster. Treasure is also doing this one, but it usually have 5 set, and set A to C is usually concept photo card. Set B is a hollow photo card, and then the set E is the selfie photo card. So these are the photo cards. There you go. For version D, we have, as I mentioned, these are the hollow photo cards. And then this is the back. Nice. Okay. And then for the selfie photo card, or the sets E, so these are the photo card. When I first saw this one, the template for this trading photo card, I know Ion is my bias, but I really, really like this photo card of her. Really nice. Okay, so this is the version E for the selfie photo cards. Okay. Oh, we already run out of sleeve, so let's get some. I think we just need a couple more. Just two, I guess. Okay. Then we have Chiquita here. And then last, we have the bulk pack set. So I really like buying the bulk pack because it assures you of getting complete OT7. Of course, there's the surprise of getting random photo cards, but it's it's still nice knowing that you're gonna be completing one set already. You have Ruka, Parita, Asa, Ion, Rami, Rora, and Chiquita. There you go. And then, so this part of the binder are some of the photo cards that I have but are not collecting as a complete set. So let me remove this extra sleeve. Then let's move it here. Oh, sorry. I think this is enough because when I bought some of the merchandise, I did get a pre-order benefit from YG Select. So I already have 5. I'm not sure if I'm gonna collect all since I'm only missing 2. But for the meantime, let's just put it here. Once we have the other 2, then we'll probably move this on the collection part of the binder. There you go. And then since I have a lot of duplicate when I was unboxing the trading pack, I already put them here offline, but it's already included here. So usually this part of the binder are the photo cards that I use for trading or use for the giveaway when I'm doing YouTube live. There you go. So this is my Baby Monster binder updating. So if you have any question regarding my collection, please do comment down below. If you like this type of video and you want to join me in my journey in collecting Baby Monster photo cards, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye!